Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to determine what value Zapier is expecting in any field in any app. This works most of the time, and it's very helpful when you are using an app for the first time on Zapier. So let's get rolling. Let's say that I want to find a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets, but the spreadsheet, it's actually not a static value. It's a dynamic value that I'm going to be choosing from the trigger, which in this case, it's Airtable. So if I click on this, I'm going to see the name of the sheet, but I'm also going to see the sheet ID. This is what Zapier is looking for. Zapier is not looking for the sheet name. As you can see here in a smaller font, you can see that this is the sheet ID, which you can definitely get in many other ways we can go through in other tutorials. So I'm going to be choosing custom, and I'm in the trigger. I have the name of the sheet and I have the sheet ID. First, I'm going to choose the name and I'm going to show you what happens. If I go to worksheet, which is also a required value, and I click on it, it's going to say unable to load choices because Zapier is not waiting for the name. It's waiting for the ID, as we said. So instead of this, I'm going to look for the ID, which I already have. When I click on worksheet, you're going to see that it already knows that there is a sheet called sheet 1. So this is the value Zapier was expecting. Let's try something else. Let's try monday.com, get column values. In this here, I want to choose the board, and I want to choose the item ID. As you can see here, the item number 1, but the ID is whatever. So I'm going to try this again, and I'm going to choose custom. From here, I already have the item name. Okay, and I'm going to try to test it. Of course, I know that it's going to give me an error. Instead of that, I am going to input the item ID here because I already know that Zapier is looking for the item ID because it is the one in a smaller font, not in bold, and right under the name of the item. So again, I'm going to choose this item ID here, and I'm going to test. And it's a success. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very clear and precise. See you in the next video.